You want to say something? You say it to my face. Look, what's wrong with you guys, huh? Who is it?
Who do you think it is? Open the door, I'll bust it down.
Or you could try turning the knob.
We warned you, punks. You know you got the dough in the suitcase. Now, where is it?
Well, I've hidden it in a place that you will never find it. And you know what? We're not gonna give it back either.
Do I gotta make an example of one of you to make my point?
Well, I'd like to see you try.
Oh, a smartass. Looking to be a hero.
Well, you're gonna have to come over here to pistol whip me.
It would be my pleasure.
No. Please stay there. I can't stand violence.
Is this some kind of trick?
No!
Oh, great. We killed the emissary.